Hi guys, my name is Jude and welcome to Authentic Haitian Creole, the place where you can learn Haitian Creole as it's spoken by native speakers. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the top most commonly used phrases in Haitian Creole. Let's get started. Number 1, bonjour, bonsoir. Bonjour, bonsoir. We use these greetings mainly in the media or when addressing people politely. Bonjour is used during the day and bonsoir is used in the evening or at night. They are equivalent to hello. Example, bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde et bienvenue. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde et bienvenue. Hello everyone and welcome. Number 2, mwen rele. Mwen rele. This literally means I call and is used to say your name. Example, mwen rele Judin. Mwen rele Judin. My name is Judin. It can also be used to talk about calling someone. Example, mwen te rele ou, men mwen pa te tande ou. Mwen te rele ou, men mwen pa te tande ou. I called you, but I didn't hear from you. Number 3, non mwen se. Non mwen se. This is another way to say your name. It means my name is. Example, non mwen se Judin. Non mwen se Judin. My name is Judin. Number 4, ki jan ye. Ki jan ye. This means how are you? Example, bonsoir maman. Apa mbatan do ditou, ki jan ye. Bonsoir maman. Apa mbatan do ditou, ki jan ye. Good evening mom. I haven't heard from you at all. How are you? Number 5, apa mpa wel ditou. Apa mpa wel ditou. This phrase expresses surprise and shows that you miss someone. It can be translated as I haven't seen you at all. Example, oh, c'est pas Sandra? Apa mpa wel ditou, ki jan ye mem. Oh, c'est pas Sandra? Apa mpa wel ditou, ki jan ye mem. Oh, is that Sandra? I haven't seen you at all. How are you? You can use this structure with other verbs. Example, you can say, apa mbatan do ditou, apa mbatan do ditou, apal pa vini ditou, apal pa vini ditou, apan pa manje ditou, apan pa manje ditou. Number 6, the next phrase is portez-vous bien. Portez-vous bien. This means take care of yourself. Portez-vous bien. Example, Male, portez-vous bien. Male, portez-vous bien. I'm leaving. Take care or goodbye. Take care. Number 7 is nawe. 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 This literally means we will see, but it's commonly used to say see you. Example, mbral en bas la ville. Nawe yon lot fwa. Mbral en bas la ville. Nawe yon lot fwa. Mbral en bas la ville. Nawe yon lot fwa. I'm going downtown. See you another time. Mbral en bas la ville. Nawe yon lot fwa. Number 8, merci en pile. This means thank you very much. Example, mte resevo kado a oui, merci en pile. Mte resevo kado a oui, merci en pile. I received the gift. Thank you very much. Mte resevo kado a oui, merci en pile. Number 9, sa wap fe la. Sa wap fe la. This is one of the most commonly used phrases in Haitian Creole. It means, what are you doing now? Sa wap fe la. Sa wap fe la. Example, bonsoir mi amor. Sa wap fe la. Bonsoir mi amor. Sa wap fe la. Hello my love. What are you doing now? Bonsoir mi amor. Sa wap fe la. Number 10, we have bonne nuit. This is our last phrase for today. Bonne nuit or passez bonne nuit. Passez bonne nuit. This literally means spend good night. In English, they say have a good night. Passez bonne nuit. Example, mbral dormi, msouete ou passez bonne nuit. Mbral dormi, msouete ou passez bonne nuit. Mbral dormi, msouete ou passez bonne nuit. I'm going to sleep. I wish you have a good night. Mbral dormi, msouete ou passez bonne nuit. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss any of our videos. Porte bien!